Oh! May showers. The roof is leaking again for the third time. There's a drip there. There's another leak. Look. The same exact spot. Same exact spot I called in for the first time. Crazy. More leaks on the other side of the patio. Okay, what I did to find this patio leak, I pulled that board down so I could see where the leak was coming. And then I sprayed the water up in that corner and along the side. And then the water started coming out. Started leaking up there in this corner where the flashing is in the valley. So that's where I'm going to have to seal it. It's right there in the valley, comes down where the flashing is. Now I can see several areas where water can get into. This flashing is loose, no seal under it. Right here is no seal under that, it's loose. And this is stuck on the outside of the gutter. So I got to try to push that back in there. And this up here is where the main leak is. I don't know if you can see that. It's flashing here, coming across this other piece of flashing. And it's open, so when it rains and the wind blows, it gets up in here and it goes back in behind that flashing. So I need to seal all this up. Okay, now I have this flashing and the shingles sealed off and screwed back down. Give it a day and then spray some water back up in here, but it's already starting to rain, so we'll see. Alright, it's raining pretty good. I don't see any water coming down. Thank Christ that the leak has stopped. Mosquitoes everywhere. I went ahead and installed a screen there instead of putting the board back so I can keep an eye on it, see if it leaks, and then I can that screen will keep any critters out, birds and stuff. I had to dig a squirrel nest out of there already. When I figure out there's no more leaking, then I'll go ahead and put the plywood back up. One thing about leaks, they can start anywhere and follow path of least resistance or go somewhere else. Could start here and go come out over here like it did. It was leaking here, over here, here. It was leaking everywhere because the water came out here and got up inside of the plywood and followed it everywhere. The water of the leak will come out, even though it's leaking there, it's going to follow the plywood and start dripping in different places. So it's hard to tell where the actual leak is. So that's where the first leak was when I first had the roof repaired. It leaked there and it came out right here. Well, that's what I thought was going to happen this time, but nope, just the opposite. It leaked on the other end. So that's one thing you have to know about roof leaks. The water may be coming out over there, but the actual leak could be here. So that's why I had to pull down the plywood to see where the actual water was coming out.